You're crazy. There isn't anything wrong with you. You'll be alright. The list goes on. There may not be anything physically wrong with me, but in the mind of someone who suffers with anxiety, panic disorder, depression, and many other mental illnesses, we think otherwise. It's all in the mind. You see, people shun away from these things because they're most likely afraid of that label, mental illness. The first step to recovery is acknowledging the issue. I learned that I may have experienced anxiety for quite some time, but like many others, we don't know what it is. So it's important to educate yourself. This look was pretty much inspired by the feelings I'm overwhelmed with when feeling anxious or an oncoming attack, which I actually experienced just hours before recording this look. Feeling afraid, hopeless, alone, dark, heart racing, short of breath, feeling like a clock and the time is about to run out. Like bondage you just can't break out of. I wanted to raise awareness because oftentimes, especially in the African American community, we never think it can affect us. Although some people choose to take medication, I've tried it and it actually didn't work out for me. I didn't like the way it made me feel on top of already feeling depressed and anxious, and like anything else, it's always trial and error. What medication or what one medication might work for you one day might not work anymore, or what may work for someone else may not work for you. Things like breathing exercises or time with friends and family help me cope. I hope you all enjoy this video, and most importantly, never feel ashamed because you are never alone. One love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Thumbs up this video, leave me a comment below, and hit that bell so you never miss a beat.
Bye.